Hello everyone and welcome. You have clicked on to a very exciting video. This is my first paid brand collaboration. It has been one of the biggest goals I've had in 2023 and I am just so excited and thrilled that it is with such an incredible brand. If you haven't heard of Linjer before, they are a female founded company that offer sustainable, high quality jewelry at very fair prices. A lot of their pieces are Vermeil. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a sterling silver that is then plated with a thick layer of 22 karat gold. It is 5 times thicker than gold plated jewelry and 100 times thicker than just flash plated jewelry. So if you're looking for everyday jewelry that is made to last, Vermeil is definitely the way to go. Now, obviously, if you do have the budget for it, they do offer pure solid gold pieces as well. And now would be the perfect time if you are looking to invest in some of those pieces because they're having a Valentine's Day sale that you can use code Terry25 to get 25% off all the way up until Valentine's Day, February 14th. So definitely check that out if you're looking for some jewelry pieces as a gift or for somebody you love for Valentine's Day. Let's get into the unboxing. So this is the box that it came in. I love that it's small, compact, and uses recyclable materials and minimal packaging, which I love, better for the environment. It even says that they offset the carbon emission on every shipment, which is awesome. One of them was hiding underneath, but we have 3 different individual pouches. These are so pretty. They're like pink felt velvet kind of packages that hold each of the pieces with Linjer in gold. So we've got some care instructions and then the first piece. Now these are the pearl Huggie earrings in the style Kirsten. Now they do come individually as well as in a set, and I did get them in the set. They come in gold Vermeil, which is what I've got here, and they also come individually in pure gold if you're looking for that. Let's try them on. So as the name suggests, obviously they're Huggie earrings. That means they basically hug your earlobe. So they're very small and dainty and perfect for everyday wear. I love hoop earrings, and that's why this was obviously one of my choices. And the fact that these have a beautiful little pearl detail is just a nice little twist on them. So my first impressions on these earrings, they're very beautiful, and I think they're very good quality. You can tell when you clip them open. It's very important to have a really good clip so that they stay nice and secure on your ears and not feel like flimsy when you open them. So they do feel nice and secure on there and feels like it's not going anywhere, which is great. You won't lose the earrings. Another little detail that you could kind of customize, which if you know me, I love customizing just about anything. And so because the pearl is just dangling and loose on there, you could take it off. You could wear it as a simple gold earring on its own without the pearl, or with the pearl, I think is the way to go. And just so you know, these are AAA grade freshwater pearls, so you know that they're good quality. So like I said, these come in a set, so I will open the next pair. So these are the Huggie hoop earrings in the style Eva or Eva. They're these beautiful dainty hoops that have 9 white topaz gemstones hand set in there, and they're also gold Vermeil. So let's try them on. These ones look like they're just a bit smaller than the pearl ones. Yeah, not by much, but just a bit. So I feel like they would make a beautiful set, as in worn together if you had 2 ear piercings. I don't, unfortunately, although I'm thinking about getting a second one. What do you think? Should I? Because then I can perfectly wear this set. But honestly, I'm such a dainty hoop fan that I feel like these on their own would be just right up my alley as well. Now it says here that they have an inner diameter measuring 8.5 millimeters. So as you can see, they perfectly fit my earlobe, super dainty and super cute. Just something to note about the past 2 pieces, they have been recycled gold. So basically no unnecessary mining, better for the planet, and Linjer makes it their goal to do that with as many pieces as possible. Moving on to the last piece, which is a ring, again in this beautiful packaging. It says that this bag is eco-friendly, 100% landfill safe, and environmentally degradable, which is amazing. So this is the Amethyst Baguette ring in the style Charlotte. I got it in a size 7 so that it could fit either my index finger or my middle finger on my right hand. I feel like it would also fit my index finger. Yeah, it does fit my index finger on my left hand, but I think I'm gonna wear it on my right hand mostly. It is a real, ethically sourced amethyst gemstone. Amethyst is my favorite gemstone actually, and fun fact, it is the February birthstone, so perfect for Valentine's Day. Also perfect if you're looking for a birthday gift for someone who's born in February. Amethyst is the way to go, obviously. This ring also comes in a ton of other gemstones, so a ton of other colors if you're looking for something different, even sterling silver as well, if you're not as big a fan of yellow gold style rings. But it's absolutely beautiful, perfect to stack with other rings, but also a beautiful like statement on its own. I love the fact that it has these shoulders, which is basically the gold part that kind of swoops up to the gemstone. I'm a sucker for shoulders on a solitaire ring. I don't like when the stone kind of like jets out of a band. I like it when it like swoops up into it. So perfect for me. I am so excited to be adding these Linjer jewelry pieces to my jewelry collection, which I'm just so excited to expand, especially the ring department. I just need to bedazzle this right hand a bit more, and I'm glad I have this ring to add to my collection. So first impressions of Linjer, I love that they're focused on sustainability, using recyclable packaging, recycled materials in their beautiful jewelry. They offset carbon emissions for every single shipment and use lab-grown diamonds, which are conflict-free and obviously ethically sourced gemstones like this beautiful amethyst. I'm just super impressed with their jewelry so far. I hope you enjoyed this Linjer jewelry unboxing and first impressions. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a like and comment down below whether you have any pieces that you're eyeing off their website. There's one in particular that I have my eye on, I will admit. What is it? It's the Sunburst Morganite Halo ring. It is a solid gold piece, so maybe in the future, a future investment or gift that I'll put on my wish list. But let me know what your jewelry wish list is down below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!